New marriage forms have been sent to Alabama probate courts today.
This follows a federal court decision to strike down a same-sex marriage ban in the state. Local 15's James Gordon is in Baldwin County tonight with how local probate judges are preparing to issue licenses to same-sex couples next week.
Kim, first of all, in Baldwin County, marriage licenses are only issued at the MINETTE probate office, and the state moved quickly in getting these new forms out today, but the debate isn't over yet. The new forms are similar to the old, with one obvious change.
With the new license, you go to spouse and spouse. Gender is no longer inferred. Now you have to identify gender of each party.
Alabama's new certificate of marriage form was made available to all probate judges today. Baldwin County's probate judge Tim Russell says come Monday, February 9th, same-sex couples will be allowed to marry.
We are an agent for the state of Alabama Health Department to issue marriage licenses. We're an issuing agent, just like we're an issuing agent for the state for driver's licenses, for car and trucks, boats, and everything else.
All this despite a stern letter from Alabama Supreme Court Chief Justice Roy Moore, addressed to all probate judges, where the Chief Justice says probate judges are not subject to a federal judge's ruling and that lower federal courts are without authority. Russell says he's following the advice of legal counsel.
So I do have the letter, and I've talked to my attorney, and I've been advised I have to follow the federal law.
Former conservative congressional candidate Dean Young and a representative of a group called I Stand with Judge Moore says probate judges who issue the new marriage licenses are wrong.
These probate judges need to abide by the Constitution, not just because one federal judge down in Mobile County said, hey, I want homosexuals to pretend like they're married. That doesn't change the Constitution, and it doesn't change the law, and it doesn't change the definition of marriage.
Also, from this point on, the probate office in Baldwin County will no longer perform civil ceremonies for any couples at all. Meantime, the judge says he does not expect a crowd on Monday, but he says his office has received several calls from same-sex couples that are living out of state. In Baldwin County, James Gordon, Local 15 News.